Hello, friends. Good morning. Welcome to my amazing sa pyara sa channel Physics Universe. I hope you are all fine at your home and we are enjoying this video lectures. So today our topic is from ICSE Board Standard 10 Chapter 5 Action of a Lens as a Set of Prisms. So we know that lenses are of two types, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस एंड कॉन्केव लेंस. तो आज हम लोग उसके बारे में बात करेंगे कि सपोज़ कि मेरे पास एक कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है, उसको मैं छोटे छोटे कट्स में डिवाइड करूँगा. तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस कट, दिस इज़ लाइक दिस, देन दिस विल बी लाइक दिस अगेन. उसको छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिए तो जो मिडल पोर्शन होगा वो एग्जैक्टली रेक्टेंगुलर मिलेगा. फिर अगेन वी गेट लाइक दिस and last we get like this. So this is all. We just cut it down in a small pieces of convex. This is my convex lens. So clearly it shows the after this we get the middle portion as rectangular pieces. Similar, if I cut that concave lens, then initially it is just like this, and now if I am cutting down, what happens? Again the middle portion is just like the rectangular part and I get like this. So their periphery portions are not just rectangular. Yeah, so this is how we can cut the lenses. Okay, now if we just cutting these lenses by small pieces, even smaller than these pieces, then what happens actually? We get first convex lens like this, then the middle portion is just rectangular, and then like this. This is again convex. And similar concave like this. So it have three parts in it. So this is again I have to write concave. Yeah, so here we just understand that in this convex lens we get this portion which have base, the upper part, this upper part have base downward here. Similar, the lower part have base upward. So for upper part base is in downward, and for lower part base is in upward. In concave we can show that the for upper part our base is on the upper portion, and for lower part our base is in lower portion. Clear? So that is simply tells us the how in convex lens the rays will be converge, and in concave lens the rays are being diverge. Yeah, so here now we are discussing the action of converging in convex लेंस. तो अब हम लोग ये पढ़ने वाले हैं कि भाई कॉन्वेक्स लेंस में ऐसा क्या हुआ, क्या हो रहा है कि जिससे रेज विल बी इन कॉन्वर्जिंग साइड्स. व्हाई इट इज just always in converging. So first of all I want to draw that figure again. So just my figure is just tilted, but no problem. Okay, here I have source here. From that source many lights are coming, but here for simplicity I am just drawing the one light ray for each parts. So first light ray is incident on this, but how can this light ray performing the additional uh, emergence of it? So this light ray just refracts towards the base कहाँ पर है, अपर पार्ट का यहाँ पर है, तो वो यहाँ पर टूवर्ड्स द बेस रिफ्रैक्ट होगा. क्लियर. सिमिलर सपोज के यहाँ से एक लाइट आई तो वो तो सीधे सीधी चली जाएगी. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पर तो एक रेक्टेंगुलर पोर्शन है, तो वो लाइट रे सीधी सीधी निकल जाएगी. और फॉर थर्ड, इफ लाइट रे comes to this part, then again this light ray just refracts towards the baseline. Base is here upward, so it will move again in upward. So this is how in convex lens converging takes place for the rays. Clear? So this is how converging takes place. यहाँ पर मैंने पॉइंट्स नहीं बनाए, भी पॉइंट्स से भी मैं समझा सकता हूँ, but no need for it. Clear? Okay, now we are talking about here the action of diverging in concave lens. कॉन्केव लेंस में कैसे डाइवर्जेंस होगा वो समझते हैं. ओके, now again I am drawing one concave lens. ओके, कॉन्केव लेंस को छोटे से पोर्शंस में डिवाइड किया मैंने, 3 पार्ट्स हो गए उसके. ओके, नाउ इफ लाइट रे इंसिडेंट like this normally to the surface, then just what happens? So if they are from infinite, this incident light are parallel with each other. That is also always possible in whenever light rays comes from infinite. Okay, no need to worry that. Clear? Now after emitting from this surface, it will move, the light will move towards that where is the base. So for the upper part, base is in upward direction, here upward. So that light ray just after getting refraction, it will move towards upward like this. Similar, this light ray have rectangular, no need to worry, it will go towards the straightforward direction. Similar here, after emitting on this portion, it will just move towards the base line. So where is the base line? It is this downward, so it will goes like this. So if I am drawing dotted line which the lights are just refraction direction, so here if I connect this all 3 lines, I get one point, and that point we get the image which is virtual image, because we get that image by virtue of the lines. Clear? So that's the action of diverging in concave lens. So guys, that's all for action of a lens as a set of prisms. Thank you for listening to my video lectures till the end. That means a lot to me. Thank you very much.